guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about 5 superfoods. Number 1, cranberries. Cranberry juice is rich in nutrients. Research shows that drinking cranberry juice regularly can prevent and treat urinary tract infections. 2, garlic. Garlic has many medicinal properties. Garlic can help to treat the common cold. Garlic can reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and may lower your risk for heart disease. 3, ginger. Ginger has been proven to relieve nausea and indigestion. 4, salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, good for heart health, bone health, and great source of energy. Also contains zinc, which is good for your memory. 5, oranges and lemons. These 2 fruits are loaded with vitamin C and overall boost your immune system. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!